Hey everybody, it's your girl Charlotte Van Horn, Black Expats in Panama, and I want to tell you about the BEIP Sistas Takeover at Ocean Breeze. But before I get too carried away, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe right now. Okay, so let me tell y'all, it's my 59th birthday, and I'll be celebrating all month. So look out for lots of shenanigans, okay? So I got a group of ladies together because that's what I like to do. Get some sisters together and go and take over Ocean Breeze Medspa at the JW Marriott in Punta, Pacifica, okay? So our limo came and then we headed on out to Ocean Breeze Medspa. Check out what happens next. Okay.
Today is still a celebration, so we're fresh here. This is yours because you have something special there.
Yay!
This means Luca's gonna help you out with the keys and everything so you can change them.
Okay, wonderful.
Perfect.
Listo?
Yes.
Let's get it. Come on, ladies. I know. Y'all know I'm dramatic, okay? And guess what? I didn't realize that the Ocean Breeze staff had done that for me. I thought somehow the girls had, snuck in and hooked something up. But, when I found out that Virginia and the team had gone that far, for me, it just really meant so very much. So we enjoyed a little spa time. Check it out. Yeah, they have some beautiful things in that boutique, honey. You got to come and see some of them swimsuits. If I had a different body, I'd be in all of them. So check them out if you want to be unique and fresh on the beach. And just remember that I do this periodically with the sisters in Panama just as a way to stay connected and bonded. So if you'd like to join me on one of my takeovers, just let me know. Peace, love, and light, everybody. Happy Mother's Day. I love you, I love you, I love you. And there's just nothing you can do about it. Thank you for Ocean Breeze Medspa for allowing us to take over. Thank you for being a proud sponsor and supporter of Black Expats in Panama. Gracias.